Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Avik and a few other people have asked for a version of the tool that behaves more like Paul Rosen's ABC.js quick editor. And the biggest difference between his demonstration tool and mine is that he has the play controls right on the screen. And that's because this version of the tool really is set up to work with a single tune at a time. If you have multiple tunes in a tune book, it gets more complicated dealing with the playback. So for example, if you were to bring a tune into the standard version of the tool and you want to play it, you have to click play, and it brings up the player. So what I've done is I've put together sort of a limited feature version of the tool, that is the ABC Transcription Tool's quick editor, that behaves more like Paul Rosen's tool. This version of the tool is set up to be used with a single tune at a time. It is also missing certain features. For example, there is no PDF export and there is no dedicated play dialog. Additionally, the note names and whistle tab are not available in this version. But it does have the play bar directly below the ABC area, and so you can just play the tune. And if you make a change, so for example, if I were to take out those chords at the very beginning on the first line, they are reflected immediately in the player. And if you let's say we're going to transpose it up to E. So again, this version is limited to working with a single tune at a time. This is the use case that Avetik uses most of the time. Otherwise, the vast majority of the features are still in the tool. As far as on the More Tools dialog, all of these things should still work. But again, you're going to be limited to one tune at a time in this version. So one thing I forgot to mention in the video about the quick editor, but I do detail in the user guide, is how easy it is to transfer ABC from the quick editor to the standard version of the editor. So I'll give you an example. Let's say we're starting with a tune here in the editor, and I've been doing some work on it, and I'm going to, let's say, delete all of this here. And now I want to open this in the standard editor because I want to create a PDF or I want to use the tune trainer. So the easiest way to do that is to click on Sharing, then click on Add Open in Editor, and then just click Test Share URL. And what that will do is it will launch the standard version of the editor, which has the PDF export and all that, and it will load your ABC directly into the editor. So I just wanted to pass that along. It's something I probably should have mentioned in the last video, but I forgot to do that. So it's a nice addition. I'm going to make this an online-only version for now. It's available at this new URL, which is abctools/abctools-quick-editor.html. I will put that in the description for the video. So Avik, I hope this is useful to you, and I hope it's also very useful to other people.